Hi everyone, this is Kasia and I'm feeling artsy. Today we're going to draw planet Earth with a little hat on top and a sign that says Happy Earth Day, because Earth Day is coming up and I thought this could look maybe like our planet Earth has its birthday coming up or something. You can make a card out of it, or you can make a poster, or you can just draw it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the Earth, and it's round, and we're going to use a little trick. I'm going to use this little metal lid. You can use a different lid. You can use a tiny little plate. You can use pretty much anything that's round and that you can trace around, because it will help you make your circle perfect. Here. So that's the first part. Then we're going to draw the eyes, and the eyes are also circles. So I'm just going to draw 2 circles, 1 and 2, and inside the eyes we have these light dots. So there's one big one and one little one, and one big one and one little one in each eye. We're going to draw the happy smile, and we're going to draw 2 more circles for these cute little cheeks. Then we're going to draw the planets. We're going to start with North America here, and it doesn't have to be exact. Just keep it the way you think it goes. And then South America comes out about here, and here's the Panama Canal and Mexico. This little piece is Greenland, the island of Greenland. And here we'll come up with Europe. And here's the Scandinavia, Poland, all these other countries, ending up in Spain and Portugal, and then going down and connecting to Africa. And I'm going to make it come out around my... here. After that, we're going to do the hat. The hat comes out on a circle on our Earth, but we will just draw it in here. So it's going to come down here. I will erase this later, and I'm going to go to the top to make it pointy. So it's like this triangle. I'll erase this. And on top of my hat, I put a sun, because I figured sun is watching over the Earth, and it's a cute thing to put on top of the hat. I'm also drawing some ice in the sun, and little white circles inside. And the sun is going to have triangles going around it for its rays. I'm going to give it a smile, and I'm going to put stripes on my hat. The last thing I would do is the Happy Earth Day sign. You can skip the pencil part and go straight to the marker with that. And I drew a flower here at the bottom of my exclamation point. I'm going straight to coloring, and we'll start with the Sharpie. I will outline everything as always, and I will speed up through this part. And I'm gonna move on to my coloring. I'm gonna make a hat a rainbow just like I did before, because I thought that is a really cute thing to do for our earth. Phew, this has been a lot of coloring. My arm hurts, especially since my green and my blue almost ran out and I had to press really, really hard to make it work. And my arm hurts. Make sure you let me know in comments what else you would like to draw and I'll try to accommodate you. Subscribe to my channel so that you can see my next video. And let me know what you have drawn by posting your picture to Instagram and tagging it at Feeling Artsy. Thank you so much for watching and drawing with me. I will see you next time.